Alright, so I got a couple of bike checks up, but all of them are basically updates. So I thought I'd do like a full bike check again for you guys, so you can actually, see what's on it, like completely. So sliding off at the bars and the bar ends, we've got Snaffy bar ends in gold, ODI long neck grips in black, S&M Perfect 10 bars in chrome, Mission component stem with Shadow Conspiracy bolts, Colony headset, Fit Shiv 2 forks, Fit Shiv 2, then front wheel, Sputnik rim, Sputnik spokes, and Sputnik hub. And then I've got a Flyerbikes 10 wall tyre, can't remember the name, but yeah, it's 20 times 2.25. Yeah, in Tamil, looks pretty sweet. Kink frame with a 20.25 top tube. So yeah, one day I'll get a longer top tube, but until then, good frame. So that's just the stock frame. A Clat one-piece seat in black. Got a Clat seat clamp. Colony pedals, black. Profile cranks in chrome. Colony Gootler 25 tooth sprocket in gold. And a Clat bottom bracket. KMC SP chain. And an Odyssey quadrant rim with Odyssey spokes, lace 2 and Odyssey hub. The nipples on it, which is that bit there, in case you didn't know. That bit, they're shit. Kept going loose on me, so I'm probably just going to buy a whole new wheel setup, kind of over the Odyssey one. It's good, but I'm just kind of over it. And same tyre, Flybikes, 20 times 2.25 in Tamwell. So I love it. Looks awesome, I reckon. Really stoked with the colours and stuff. I need to repaint my frame though, but looks pretty sick. So thanks for that. See you later.